This is a walk-around and operation video for a 2002 Bobcat 763 skid steer. It is 18,900 Canadian plus tax. It has an open cab, no glass or door or heat. It has standard Bobcat controls, hand for steering, feet for boom and bucket. It has a 1,500 pound operating capacity and a 5,200 pound operating weight. It has a 46 horsepower diesel engine with 1,700 hours. It has auxiliary hydraulics. The tires are at 50%. This is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Please contact us for more information. www.edgeequipmentsales.com